Did you know the biggest cash heist in American history started with a gambling addict's desperate phone call? Louis Werner owed $70,000 to loan sharks in 1978, and they weren't patient men. As a Lufthansa cargo supervisor at JFK Airport, he knew something valuable: the flight schedules. So he made a deal with Henry Hill's crew, information for cash. For 6 months they watched everything: guard rotations, alarm systems, cash storage procedures. Werner fed them every detail about the December 11th shipment. On the night of the heist, they bypassed 3 separate security systems in under 4 minutes. The crew expected maybe $2 million maximum. Instead, they found $5.8 million in cash and another $1 million in jewelry. But their celebration didn't last long. One by one, Henry Hill's associates started eliminating the crew members. 6 people died to keep the secret safe. Werner's gambling debt cost him everything and changed airport security forever.